Heroscape and Warhammer have both captivated players around the world. While they have distinct settings and gameplay mechanics, it's their similarities that keep gamers coming back for more. In this video, I'll show you 5 tables built with Heroscape tiles and terrain that works well for Warhammer. As a bonus, I'll be giving you 5 reasons why you should use Heroscape tiles and terrain to build your Warhammer tables. The smallest table size for Warhammer comes in at 22 inches by 30 inches, which is good for any tabletop skirmish game. This is the recommended size to play Warcry and Killteam. It also happens to be roughly the same size as many of the Heroscape boards I see. Reason number 1 to use Heroscape terrain for Warhammer: versatility. Heroscape terrain tiles are designed to be modular and can be easily rearranged and combined in different configurations. This allows you to create a diverse and dynamic battlefield for your Warhammer games. You can experiment with the different layouts and terrain features, adapting them to fit specific scenarios or narrative campaigns within the Warhammer universe. If you've used Heroscape tiles for any other games, leave a comment and tell us which game you used it with and how it went. Board 2 is another 22 by 30 map with a different feel and tactical considerations than the first. Here's reason number 2. Community support. There is a dedicated community of Heroscape players that can provide resources, inspiration, and ideas that can help you maximize the potential of these versatile tiles in your own gaming sessions. There's even a PC program you can download for free on heroscapers.com called Virtualscape. You can use it to plan and visualize your terrain table in advance so you can build the table quickly when it comes time to play. I will leave links in the description. This is the final 22 by 30 board that I have for you today, but illustrates the idea of 3 different boards and 3 very different looks and gameplay. The modular design is such that the possibilities of table design are endless and only limited to your imagination, which brings us to reason number 3, variety of terrain features. Heroscape terrain tiles offer a wide range of terrain features, including walls, forests, water, bridges, ruins, and more. This diverse selection allows you to create intricate and thematic landscapes for your Warhammer games. Whether you need an elevated vantage point for your snipers, dense cover for your infantry units, or strategic choke points, the assortment of terrain tiles can fulfill any tactical requirement. This is a 30 by 44 inch board. This board size is the size of two 22 by 30 boards. So I took the bottom layer of the first and third boards and combined them to create one large board in no time. You can even store them in these sizes for easy setup, which segues to reason number 4, ease of storage and portability. Heroscape terrain tiles are designed to stack and interlock, making them compact and easy to store. This feature is especially beneficial for players who have limited space or frequently transport their game setups. The ability to neatly stack and store the tiles ensures that your terrain remains organized and protected when not in use. The final board I have for you today is 44 inches by 60 inches, which is the most common table size for many of Warhammer games. Both 40k and Age of Sigmar competitive play at 2,000 points use this size. This board equals 4 of the skirmish size boards, so it's more of an investment, but it's still doable. Reason number 5, affordability. Using Heroscape tiles can be a cost-effective alternative to creating immersive battlefields for your Warhammer games. Acquiring a single set of Heroscape terrain is more affordable when compared to purchasing official Warhammer terrain sets that only give you a single look and feel. You would need to purchase many different terrain sets to accomplish the variety that one set of tiles can give you. While Heroscape terrain might not specifically replicate the specific elements of the Warhammer universe, it still provides a versatile and affordable solution for creating engaging battlefields. Hey, and it looks like Heroscape's not quite dead yet. If Renegade Game Studios is going to sign a licensing deal with Hasbro to begin producing the content for Age of Annihilation, there's going to be a bunch of new exciting Heroscape terrain hitting the market. As always, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. I really appreciate it.